This is a kitchen loading and washing production line. The equipment operation processes. Fully automatic kitchen loading machine, I-type side roller conveyor. Laser power corner poultry cage washing machine. The fully automatic cage and loader can transport the poultry cages to the white sheep side to prevent the poultry from being damaged. The white sheep side adopts an anti-soil belt in the middle, which ensures a smooth conveying process and effectively reduces the stress response of poultry. Roller conveyor. Designed with stainless steel rollers, the smooth surface reduces wear on poultry cages. Literally using anti-skid and wear-resistant belts for transportation and can lift the poultry cages to a specified height. Finally, it enters the cage washing machine through the power corner. The machine adopts a triple cleaning process of pre-washing, secondary cleaning, and disinfection. The pre-washing stage is equipped with an automatic scraping system, which is clean, efficient, and labor-saving. Do you need such a cage loading and washing production line? Come to mention and we will customize it for you.